Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to use illustrations in your web design. So when you're designing alert dialogues, something like this or this, try to add an illustration. So it doesn't have to be super relevant to your whatever you're doing, but it has to convey. So for example, deleting something can be a little bit it's contrast like this. Something went wrong can denote a emotion of something going wrong like this. And when you're saying welcome, you can have your mascot waving and things like that. So it adds a touch of personality to a app, and having a mascot everywhere adds that too. So try that. Add even if it's very straightforward flat design, adding an illustration like this will push it over the edge of being a better UI overall. So yeah, try it out. All the illustrations can now be generated in ChatGPT. Just ask it for a good illustration idea and ask it to generate that idea, and use the same chat list to create all the illustrations that you want. And ask it to give the prompt itself to you, so you can recreate it. Say if you created this image, upload this image and tell it to use it as a reference to create the other image, and it will give it to you. So use ChatGPT, create illustrations like this, and add it in your alert dialogues, some cards that you have, so your designs will look even better. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you tomorrow with another design tip. Bye bye.